Hello friends, this is Dorian Achamim, founder of Power Kid. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, hello! And today I'm going to show you how to do problem number 19, which is on page 372 in the first No Calculator section of this book, which can be downloaded for free on Khan Academy. Here goes. In a right triangle, one angle measures x degrees, where sine of x degrees equals 4/5. What is cosine of 90 minus x degrees? Well, before anything, whenever someone tells me there's a triangle, I draw a triangle. That is a personal rule of mine. Here's a triangle. And it is a right triangle. We know that because we're dealing with cosines. So let's say I put x degrees over here. Sine of x degrees equals 4/5. Now, if you remember from SOHCAHTOA, if you don't remember SOHCAHTOA perfectly, just write out SOHCAHTOA. Okay? And then that will make your life easier. You won't have to pick it out of your head. Do as little in your head as possible. That is my rule to you. Now, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. That means that sine of x degrees, 4 is the opposite, hypotenuse, here we are, is this thing right here. And if you remember your special right triangles, this is a 3, 4, 5. You can figure out that with Pythagorean theorem. Now, they want to know, what is the cosine of 90 minus x degrees? Now, what is 90 minus x degrees? Which angle is that? Well, let's think about this thing right here. We know that all the angles in a triangle have to sum up to 180. I'm going to call this one y degrees, because we don't know what this one is yet. Okay? I'm going to say x plus y plus 90. All these things have to add up to 180. I hope that's what I said earlier. I'm going to subtract this 90. I'm going to subtract this 90. I'm going to get x plus y equals 90. So I'm looking for what 90 minus x equals. Well, I'm just going to subtract x from both sides, because that's going to give me a 90 minus x in the end of the day. Y, in that case, equals 90 minus x. Interesting. So this angle right here equals 90 minus x. This is the angle we're dealing with. And the cosine of this angle, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is 4/5. So the answer to this question equals 4/5. That is the answer. Which, pro tip, on the grid-in section, you can also write as 0.8. The grid-in section accepts decimals, equivalents for fractions. Before we go, I want to let you know that this fact, that 90 minus x is just the other angle in a right triangle, this is not the last time that you will see it. This shows up other times on the SAT. So feel free to memorize this. You might be able to pick up a freebie point at some point.